What's going on? Bearded Josh here. Do you ever find yourself asking when or how you should be washing your beard? Stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to go over exactly how you should be doing that and my best practices. So especially with new bearded men or people that are just starting growing their beard, they often ask themselves when they should be washing and with what products and how frequently. Before we go over when and how often you should be washing your beard, I think it's very important to figure out what products you're going to be using to wash your beard. First, we're going to start with the beard wash. So, beard wash is meant to strip away all the oils out of your beard without using harsh chemicals damaging your skin and your actual beard hair follicle. So, as you can probably point out, the hair on top of your head is much different than your beard depending on your level of activity throughout the day. Like if you eat something that's super like greasy or something that you get a lot of crumbs in and it's all in your beard, just make sure that you're very conscious of that. You would be washing with a beard wash that's more of a stripper. Now there is on the other spectrum one that's more lighter. Now washing your beard is just as important as putting beard oil or beard balm or beard butter into your beard to make sure it's conditioned. Now personally, what I do in the shower is I take one of my Kent combs and I lather in the beard wash throughout my beard, and then I just lightly comb through it, getting out all the debris, everything out of my beard completely to make sure that it's properly ran through my beard and I'm not missing a spot whatsoever. Now with beard washes, you don't have to leave it in so long. So as soon as you lather it up and you comb it through a couple of times, wash it out. It's just same thing like shampoo on your head. You don't want to leave the shampoo on your head for a long period of time because it will damage your hair. Now moving on to co-washing or conditioning your beard, or some co-washes are called softeners. Now co-washing is the same thing as like if you were to condition your hair on top of your head. Essentially what you're doing is in a non-abrasive way, you're softening your beard hair and conditioning it to where it's not so brittle getting out of the shower, and it fills it with a little more of vitamins and things that your actual beard and your hair need to make sure that it stays healthy. Now depending on, like I said, the activity levels, if you're a construction worker, you might find yourself washing your beard maybe twice a week. But typically in my case, I work at a desk job, and obviously due to the coronavirus, we're all at home. So I wash my beard maybe once a week, and I co-wash every other day. When I wash my beard, I follow it up with a co-wash right after. The next day, I'll just rinse my beard with just water through it, depending on if I ate light that day and not a lot of greasy foods or foods that get into my beard. I'll just rinse it with water, run my comb through it, no problem. So my schedule usually breaks down to this. Day 1, I wash with a beard wash and conditioner. Day 2, I rinse with water. Day 3, I use a co-wash or I use a conditioner. Day 4, what I'll do is I'll rinse it again with water. Day 5, I'll use a co-wash, and then I'll rinse on day 6. And day 7, I'll wash my beard and use a co-wash. So my routine based on my beard hair, now everyone else is different. So the same thing with beard oil as well. A lot of people use different amounts because depending on your beard hair could absorb more of the oils quicker, and that's where you find yourself putting beard oil throughout the day, whereas in other people they use it once a day and they're perfectly fine. So following doing your wash and your co-wash routine, like I said, this really does depend on your activity level through the day, whether or not that you actually need to do one or the other. Most of the time you can just get away with co-washing if you're really not doing anything strenuous. I immediately follow up in the morning, my morning routine, with beard oil and I'll do my straightening with my blow dryer on a low heat and make sure that it's really nice and crisp, just like you see right here. Or at night before I go to bed to make sure that I have enough moisture throughout the night because I am a toss and turn sleeper. I'll put a beard cream or a beard butter in my beard so that the moisture locks in for a little bit longer. Obviously, nothing's going to last forever, but it gives my beard a lot more time with moisture versus putting a beard oil at night, it drying out within an hour, and then I wake up and my beard's all crazy and really hard and brittle. So it's just all my opinion, but that's what I would recommend. If you like this video and you like the content that I'm putting out, please consider subscribing to my channel. Drop a like on the video, a comment down below. Let me know what you do with your routine with your beard. And I do have other videos just like this. If you just click on these ones right here, you can go ahead and give those a watch. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much. And as always, stay beard strong. Have a good day.